asionekane kama can I start now?
Yeah.
Isaac is 20 years old. At the age of 4, he got meningitis, and he lost all the milestones he had acquired at the age of 4, because by then he was at nursery school and he was okay. So when he got the infection, all the milestones he had acquired, the studying, walking, they all got lost because he got that general body weakness, and he was reduced, or he was now reduced back to bed. Now, as you can see, even sitting is weak. We need to stabilize the whole body, and as we can start from the head. He has drooling. The saliva is flowing involuntarily. So there are some exercises that needs to be done to stabilize the lips so that he can hold the lips in position, in closing position, so that that saliva does not fall from the mouth again. Also, we need to do mouth stimulation. There are some activities we do to try and help the speech to come back. Also, about the neck, he's stooping forward, so we need also to position the neck to upright position. When you go to the trunk, because the muscles of the stomach and the back are weak, he is sitting in a bedding position that has interfered with the spinal cord. So the spine is somehow bent a bit, and we need also to straighten it up. About the hand, because somehow they are not functional, and if a rib is not in use, actually it becomes weak. That has led to the weakness, more so on the hand. You can see the hand is bending downwards. We call that one list drop. It needs to be cocked up so that it can go back to normal position, and from there we can continue strengthening the whole rib so that he can start using the hand to hold things and to do other activities. About the legs, they are also weak, though there is some strength left. Out of 10, I can give him about 4 or 5 points. So they need to be strengthened more, and also he should start practicing studying, so that if he once he gets enough strength to start, he can now start practicing walking. And the gadget that we are going to use to strengthen the feet while standing, it is called standing aid. It can have a combination of a standing aid one side and the other side for sitting, so that he can sit in upright position, so that we can help to collect the problem with the back where it is bending, so that it can now he can now sit at 90 degrees, so that it is now upright. Also at the foot, because of the weakness of not using the rib, you can see the foot is somehow dropped. We are also going to do some exercise and to help cock up the food so that it can go back to its normal position, so that when he stands up on the 8, the weight will go to the right position at the heel, and then it will get supplied to the whole foot. Both feet, as you can see, they have that thing we call wrist drop. It is weakness of the nerves and also the muscles that support the leg and the foot. And having those gadgets and good therapy, I believe Isaac is going to be helped, and one day I believe he will stand up and walk and be able to use his hands to do a few things to help himself and be independent. Yeah.